Hello learners, welcome to Sure Question Academy. Please watch the videos, like and subscribe to the channel.
Hello students. Let's look at a very interesting question from sound waves. The question asks, what happens when the frequency of a sound wave produced near an object is exactly equal to the natural frequency of that object? We are given 4 statements. Let's read them. Statement 1. The object vibrates. Statement 2. The object reflects the sound wave. Statement 3. The object is in resonance. Statement 4. The object produces a different frequency. We need to find which of these statements are correct. Option A says 4 only. Option B says 1 and 3. Option C says 2 and 3. And option D says 3 and 4. Let's find out the correct answer together. Let's analyze the concepts step by step. It's very simple. First, let's visualize what actually happens when sound waves reach an object. Remember, every single object around us has its own natural frequency. Now, when the incoming sound wave perfectly matches this natural frequency, the object absorbs that energy and starts vibrating strongly. Let's write down the exact definition for natural frequency first. Every object has a specific frequency at which it naturally vibrates when disturbed. This characteristic frequency is called its natural frequency. Clear? Next, what is resonance? When the frequency of an incoming sound wave perfectly matches the natural frequency of an object, the object begins to vibrate with maximum amplitude. This beautiful phenomenon is called resonance. Now let's evaluate our given statements based on what we just learned. Since the frequencies match perfectly, the object will definitely vibrate. So statement 1 is correct. And this exact phenomenon is called resonance. So statement 3 is also correct. Therefore, the correct combination is statement 1 and 3. So the right answer is option B. Did you all get it? Excellent work. Keep practicing and happy learning.